Milodon has produced true American-made race parts since 1957. On our 60th anniversary, we are proud to still make our parts the old-fashioned way, with good old American experience and craftsmanship. And we make the vast majority of our 1,200 part numbers right in our own facility in Simi Valley, California. In the early 60s, Milodon had parts on most all of the gassers and early top fuel cars. In 1970, Milodon embarked on an aluminum Hemi project that would revolutionize the fuel tanks. The Milodon 426 7-liter was used by racers like Don Garlits, Don Prudhome, John Force, Shirley Muldowney, and dozens more to set most all the records of the time. Today, Milodon's main product line is oil pans for American V8s, and we produce several categories: street and strip, drag race and pro street, pro touring, marine, truck and circle track. Superior quality starts with Milodon's own tooling process that stamps the pan rail with exact bolt hole locations and in-seal areas to give a perfect seal. Milodon pans are designed, fixtured, leak-checked, and block-checked several times to assure that when a customer lays his pan on the engine, everything lines up and works. CNC milled drain plugs provide a leak-free machined surface seal. Street strip pans are designed for street cars that have increased performance and ground clearance issues. Milodon introduced and set the standard for triangulated low-profile designs that saves depth and increases capacity by going wider. These pans carry enough oil for a large cubic inch engine without being excessively deep. Drag race and pro street pans put out maximum horsepower. These sophisticated pans have kickouts to recover the oil from the crank and trays with sectioning baffles to guide the windage away from the rotating assembly while working around frame and steering components. Drag race pans are just slightly deeper than stock and carry about double the oil. Today's hot rods are very low with big engines that need oil and oil control, but cannot go deeper. Pro touring pans accommodate very large engines like 572 big block Chevys, 434 small block Chevys, 514 Fords, and 572 Hemis. These pans retain stock depth for maximum ground clearance, but carry 7 to 8 quarts of oil with sophisticated trapdoor systems, great for autocross or road course use. Milodon produces pro touring pans for popular engine swaps that provide increased capacity and accommodate the stock steering and frame, such as a small block Chevy into an early Nova or Vega, an LS into a Chevelle, a 5.7 Hemi into a 70s Cuda, or a Chrysler 440 into a Dakota. Most stock pans have no baffles and allow the oil to fly all over the pan. Milodon stock replacement pans have increased oil capacity and use horizontal baffles to keep the oil in the sump for optimum engine lubrication. Our marine pans are manufactured with heavier material to avoid cracking, trays and baffles that control the oil in rough conditions, watertight dipsticks, and increased capacity. Without an upgraded oil pan, jet boats commonly eat up motors due to heat and increased load. Milodon's truck and circle track pans incorporate the same technology that have made us the pro racer's choice for 60 years, but are designed for rough terrain and hard aggressive cornering. Essential to proper oil control are oil pumps and pickups. Pans and pickups are engineered as a pair to work together and must be matched. Attention to oil flow, anti-vibration, strength, and durability are key design factors. Milodon also produces a complete line of premium, American-made, high-flow stainless steel valves, stainless steel dipsticks, professional gear drives, timing covers, billet main caps, fasteners, and billet timing pointers. Check out Milodon's full line of high-performance products at milodon.com.